of the day with Habibi on the clock. Hole 6, nice little par 4. Amro is dialed right now. Dialed. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Oh, he's up there. Fuck, bud, she's up there. Amro and I's little guess, like 122 out. You get a few pracky swings in. Go ahead, hit the ball for the birds. And look at the tempo on this young man. Might have to sit just a tad. Oh, and he might be on the club twirl. 87 yards to the pin lawn? Fuck, where'd she go?
I have no clue. Green, but you know it's okay. Even Tigger has his days, so send this one up real quick.
With Johnny Boy's putter. Will Amro make it for the bird ski? This is for the birds at home. For the bird. Oh, and it's might have to just go a little bit. And par. As a par ski for your birds at home. Remember that.